Hello dear students, welcome to YourPedia. We all know that TSPSC announced a very big notification for electrical, mechanical and civil engineering graduates. That is AEE, Assistant Executive Engineer, one of the gazetted posts for technical graduates. Okay, so in this 1540 posts are there, 1540 vacancies are there for all three branches. It's a great opportunity dear to use. So I suggest all of you to prepare for this AEE examination if you have qualification. So in this I'm going to discuss about the syllabus, paper pattern for electrical engineering. I'm going to discuss both GS syllabus and electrical engineering core syllabus. Okay, so let's start with our discussion. Yeah, qualification. The very first thing is qualification, that is one must have degree in electrical engineering if you are applying for electrical engineer AEE post. Okay, the final years are not eligible. Many students ask me that, sir, we are in final year, whether we are eligible or not. No, you are not eligible. By the time you are going to apply for this post, you must have engineering degree with you. Okay, and one more question, very frequently asked question is, sir, my BTech is second class, can I apply or not? Irrespective of your percentage or class, if you just pass your BTech examination, you are eligible. There is no percentage criteria. Okay, the next thing is important dates, when the application process will start. The application process will start on 22nd of September. Okay, and it is going to end on 15th of October. Let's go for the next slide, that is yes, scheme of examination. Yeah, so examination is going to have what syllabus, for how many marks, how many questions, okay, how much duration the examination will be, and interview also will be there, that we will discuss. Okay, so part A will be written examination, objective type. You know what does it mean by objective type? Options will be given. So how many questions are there? See, paper one, general studies and general abilities. General studies and general abilities. General studies means we all know that is about Telangana history and economic, socio-economic issues, and I can say general knowledge and all. General ability means aptitude. General ability means aptitude, reasoning and all. How many questions are there? 150 questions. Okay, duration is 150 minutes. For each one question, 1 minute will be given, and number of marks are also 150. Okay, 150 questions, each question carries 1 mark. The next one is electrical engineering degree level. Yes, so electrical engineering is having two type of things. One is degree level, another one is diploma level. So we are going to apply for AEE, Assistant Executive Engineer, that is a gazetted post. Therefore we have to prepare at this degree level. We are engineers, okay, engineering graduates, not diploma students. So how many questions are there? 150 questions. Duration is 150 minutes. For one question, 1 minute is given, but each question carries 2 marks. Not like general studies and general abilities paper. It is 1 mark, 1 question, 1 mark. But this our technical paper, 150 questions, each question carries 2 marks. Therefore, total marks are 300. Interview will be there, which carries for 50 marks. Interview will be for 50 marks. Total will be 500 marks. Yes. So I suggest all of you to prepare technical as well as GS very well. See, mostly all the students will perform very well in the technical examination, but the deciding factor, your job deciding factor will be this GS syllabus. Let's go through the GS syllabus, general studies and general abilities syllabus. Okay, paper 1 it is. The first one is current affairs, regional, national and international. Yes, current affairs means currently what are the issues and things which are happening in India, and international also. Mostly in Telangana also, as the paper is from Telangana, there may be few questions from Telangana current affairs also. So I recommend you to prepare for that. Okay, second one is international relations and events. Third one is general science, India's achievements in science and technology, like who got Nobel Prize for what. And one more thing I want to discuss here, that so there are many achievements in science from India, but present contemporary issues in science and technology, present contemporary running things are very important. So see, I'll give you one example. Sir, C.V. Raman got Nobel Prize long back in physics. Okay, that we all know, but if any topic related to that one is running now contemporarily, then there is a possibility for asking that question, okay, in that area. So I suggest all of you to concentrate mostly on contemporary issues in all these listed topics. Okay, so the fourth one is environmental issues, disaster management, prevention and mitigation strategies. Fifth one is economic and social development of India and Telangana. So I underline this Telangana. Why? Because as the paper is from Telangana, yes, as the paper is from Telangana, Yeah, you are going to get most of the questions based on Telangana. Okay, yes, yeah, based on Telangana. Yes, yeah, Telangana. Next, fifth one is physical, social, and economic geography of India. Seventh one is physical, social, and economic geography and demography of Telangana. Yes, again I underline this. As the paper is from Telangana, there is a possibility to ask more questions on Telangana. Okay, and again on contemporary issues. Suppose if there is some issue happening on some, I can say, economic or geography related, suppose in between Andhra and Telangana there are some disputes still happening, okay, on those things questions may be asked, contemporary issues. Okay, eighth one is socio-economic, political, and cultural history of modern India with special emphasis on Indian national movement. Okay, that is also important. Socio-economic, political, and cultural history of Telangana with special emphasis on Telangana statehood movement and formation of Telangana state. I put a star for this one. Why? Because this involves Telangana state movement. We all know in 2014 Telangana got formed. Okay, from Andhra Pradesh it got bifurcated. Yeah, so on that there is a possibility to ask many questions. Okay, the next one, 10th one is Indian Constitution, Indian political system, governance and public policy, social exclusion, rights issues such as gender, caste, tribe, disability, etc. and inclusive policies. 12th one is society, culture, heritage, arts and literature of Telangana. Again I put a star for this one. Yes. And 13th one is policies of Telangana state. This is also very important. So after formation of new state, many policies got changed and a new policies got introduced. So be careful on those topics. 14th one is logical reasoning, analytical ability and data interpretation. 15th one is basic English. So these 14 and 15 topics are general ability topics, GA I can say. So all of you can answer that 14 and 15, but I recommend all of you to prepare well from topic 1 to 13. Okay, so 14 and 15 any one of you can do. Okay, as we are engineers we can solve logical reasoning questions, aptitude questions and general English questions so easily, but these topic 1 to 13 are new for us. So I recommend you to concentrate very well on those topics. Let's go for technical syllabus. Yeah, so technical syllabus is very important. 300 marks technical syllabus is. Okay, non-technical general ability is 150 marks. Now part 2, electrical engineering degree level. First subject is electrical circuits and fields. Basic subject for entire electrical engineering is electrical circuits. Okay, this is the basic, very basic subject I can say. Yes, this is the first subject. Okay, and second subject is electrical machines. Yes, one of the very important subject for entire electrical engineering. Electrical machine is going to have 4 parts. In fact, transformer, DC machine, induction machine and synchronous machine. Yes, power systems. Power system is going to have 3 to 4 parts depending on the syllabus. Okay, 3 to 4 parts we are going to take up. That is starting from generation to ending utilization. Generation, transmission, distribution, power system analysis. Analysis includes fault analysis, stability analysis, load flow studies or load flow analysis, power system protection and utilization. Okay, yeah. Fourth one is control systems. Yes, this also will carry decent amount of marks. I won't say good amount of marks, I can say decent amount of marks. Control systems, electrical and electronic measurements, analog and digital electronics. I recommend all of you, especially electrical engineers, to concentrate on this one. Anyhow, electrical engineering students will be understanding and doing very well in the electrical subjects, but this one is electronic subject, so we have to give a good care on that subject. Okay, yes. The next one is power electronics. 8th one is electric drives. Yes, actually power electronics in continuation with the drives, I can say both can be treated as single subject, but in the syllabus they mentioned as 2 subjects. So same faculty who deals with power electronics will be dealing with the electric drives. That's a great thing in fact. Yes, and utilization. Here I want to speak few points that those are this utilization syllabus is not there in GATE syllabus. I think most of you taken GATE coaching. Suppose most of you taken GATE coaching. Okay, you might studied all these subjects, but so this one is not there in GATE syllabus. Rarely this utilization will be there in the examinations. So those who prepared for GATE examination already I will recommend you to concentrate on this utilization subject, which is not there in the GATE syllabus. Why? Because you are not yet prepared. You are not yet prepared for this utilization. If you are new for the preparation, yes, we are here from YourPedia to give very good guidance, being mentors. Okay. Then let's go in detail analysis. Yeah. So this is the weightage of the subjects, individual subjects. If you observe all of you, electrical machines, 16.7% of the entire paper. I can say approximately 17 marks. Power systems, approximately 17 marks. Okay. Power electronics, approximately 17 marks. If you see power systems, power electronics and electrical machines, all these subjects combined, total 50% of the paper. You see, 50% of the paper, yes, this is 50% of the technical paper will be from electrical machines, power systems and power electronics. That much important those three subjects are having. You concentrate very well, prepare very well, touch each and every corner. Okay, see, touch each and every corner of these three subjects so that you are not going to miss any question in the examination. Questions will be asked very simply. In the next slides, we are going to see how which type of questions will be asked. Okay, how to answer those questions also. We are going to see few questions. Yeah, and remaining digital electronics is 6%, analog electronics is 4%. So but I can say one thing that, see, every electrical engineer, as they are very interested or passionate about their engineering, they will prepare this electrical machines, power systems and power electronics very well, but they will have some, I can say, they are not having that much concentration on these two subjects. Sometimes this will become the deciding factor for your selection. Those two subjects. Why? Because those are from electronic engineering. We have to concentrate very well on those two subjects. Control systems, 10% means 10 marks. Suppose if you take for 100 marks, okay? By taking 100 marks as a reference, I am telling 10 marks, okay? Utilization is 10%, you see. 10% of the paper is utilization. So, I am again saying that here, utilization prepare well. Why? Because that is not there in the GATE syllabus, or that is not there in any other competitive examination syllabus. Okay. Network analysis and fields, this is 8.7%. Electrical measurements is 11.3%. So I can say, see, electrical machines, power systems, power electronics and drives and electrical measurements, more than 50% of the paper. Okay, so we will definitely concentrate very well on our electrical subjects, but I recommend you once again to concentrate very well on this analog electronics and digital electronics. So this is about our core syllabus. So let's see which type of questions are asked, previous year questions. Okay, just a brief analysis I will be doing, brief analysis. Yeah, read this question carefully, ma. The open loop transfer function, this question is from control systems, okay? The open loop transfer function of a unity feedback system is given as g of s is equal to k by s into 1 plus st. By what factor the gain k should be multiplied so that the damping ratio increases from 0.3 to 0.6? Very easy question, ma. Just I am giving you the procedure. G of s is equal to k by s into 1 plus st. Now what will be the characteristic equation? Directly we can write s square t plus s plus k equal to 0. What will be the shortcut formula for getting a damping ratio? Yes, let me write the characteristic equation once again, that is s square plus s by t plus k by t equal to 0. Now we know one formula, that is zeta is equal to, zeta is damping ratio, equal to b by 2 root c. We will use many shortcuts in control systems, okay? Without pen paper, sometimes we can answer questions. In the next slide, we are going to see a question which we are going to answer without pen paper. First, I'll solve normally, and I'll be giving the short way of solving that question also. B, in place of b, what we have? 1 by t by 2 root c. In place of c, what we have? Under root of k by t. So we got the value of zeta. Yes, we got the value of zeta. Yes, zeta is equal to 1 by t by under 2 root, this is a square root, this is normal 2. Yes, this is equal to 0.3 is saying zeta 1. What do you want? He want to increase to 0.6. Imagine this one as k1. So zeta 2 you want it as 0.6. Then 1 by t by 2 under root of, this is square root. This 2 is separate thing, not a square root. Okay. K2 by t equal to 0.6 he want. He want the relationship between k2 and k1. Okay, you divide these two, you are going to get the answer. That much simple the question is. Okay, let's see the next question, ma. Yeah, so I told you that this question will solve without pen paper. How it is, I'll tell you. Read the question. The number of roots of the characteristic equation s power 4 plus 4s cube plus s square plus 8s plus 1 is equal to 0 lie in the right side of s plane. Okay, many of you, what will you do? You are going to apply RH criteria. Yeah, let's do with RH criteria, then I'm going to give my shortcut. Okay, what is that RH criteria? S power 4, S cube, S square, S power 1, S power 0. Come on. Yes, this is 4. Yeah, first two rows can be directly filled in the RH tabulation. So not 4, that is not 4. First one is 1. Yes, 1. Yeah, next one is 1. Yes, that next one is also 1. After that we have 4. Yes, next one is 8, and this is 0. If you do this, how much are you going to get? Minus 4 you get. I think minus 4 or minus 2. Yes, let me calculate it. Minus 4 minus 8. Sorry, 4. This is 4 minus 8 by 4. How much it is? Minus 1 only. Minus 4 by 4. Yes, so it is minus 1. Yes, it is minus 1. How much this will be? 4 into 1 is 4. Minus 0 by 4, how much it is? 1, and this is 0. Now if you come here, how much this we are going to get? This one is minus 8 minus 4, minus 12 by minus 1 is 12, minus 8 minus 4 by minus 1, minus of minus is plus. Okay, then how much this will be? 0. This one is 0. Now let's calculate this S power 0. 12 into 1 is 1, minus 0 by 12 will be 1. Now what is the procedure? Find the number of sign changes in the first column of row array. Yes, this is plus, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is plus. How many sign changes are there in the first column of row array? There is one sign change, plus 2 plus no sign change, plus 2 minus there is one sign change, minus 2 plus again one sign change. This is the first one, this is the second. Number of right hand side poles is equal to number of sign changes in the first column of row array. How many sign changes we got? 2 sign changes, therefore answer is 2. But need not to do this much analysis. If a fourth order system is shortcut by me, okay, no pen paper required. If a fourth order system is unstable after satisfying all necessary conditions, then you may be asking a question, sir, how do you know that it is unstable? Characteristic equation is equal to S power 4 plus 4S cube plus 8S square plus, I didn't remember it, 8S cube, S square plus 8S plus 1. Okay, S square plus this is S square only. Just let me erase it. Yes, this is S square plus 8S plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation given by the examiner. So what is the condition for a fourth order system to be stable? Two conditions must be satisfied. First one is BC must be greater than AD. Second one is D must be greater than B square E by BC minus AD. Okay, so what are ABCDs? If you compare this one with AS power 4 plus BS cube plus CS square plus DS plus E equal to 0. That is our standard equation where all ABCDs are greater than 0. I can write here A comma B comma C comma D comma E must be greater than 0. That is a necessary condition. If that fails, directly we can say that system is unstable. Okay, it satisfied necessary condition. There is no missing coefficient including constant, and there are no sign changes in the given characteristic equation. Then we have to go for the further testing, that is RH tabulation. But instead of that, I am going for shortcut, that is BC must be greater than AD. Now you calculate what is BC. What is BC? Yeah, BC is 4 is greater than AD. Is 4 is greater than 8? No. Condition failed. System is stable, unstable? Unstable. System is unstable. Both must satisfied. See, 1 and 2 must satisfied for the system to be stable. Any one of those who failed, I can say that system is unstable. Now the point is, if a fourth order system is unstable after satisfying all necessary conditions, then the number of RHP are equal to 2. Okay, this one I'll prove in class. Okay, after proving only we are going to remember the conclusions. So without pen paper, just look at this question. Just check BC 4, AD is 8. 4 is greater than 8, not correct. It is false. The statement is false. BC is not greater than AD. Therefore, system is unstable. One condition fails, system is unstable. If a fourth order system is unstable after satisfying all necessary conditions, you check all necessary conditions are satisfied or not satisfied. Therefore, the system is having how many RHP? 2 RHP. Answer is 2. That much simple it is. Okay, yeah. Let's go to the next subject questions. Those are power systems. Just very simple questions. Two insulator discs of identical capacitance value C make up a string for 22 kV 50 Hz single phase overhead line insulation system. If the pin to earth capacitance is also C, then the string efficiency is. That is very simple. Okay, just we have one formula. If you apply that formula, you're going to get. See, just I'm taking how simple questions will be asked in AEE examination. But see, if you want to answer these simple questions, you must know the concepts first. Then only those are simple. Otherwise, those are not simple for you. You may commit a mistake. Okay, so we will be having this type of some 2000 questions. Okay, 2000 questions will be giving to you. So where all concepts we are going to cover in class. Okay, then the next question is for accurate load flow calculations on large power system, the best method is some theory question, very simple question that is. Okay, if you know the concept, you are going to tick for the answer. Next up, that is electrical circuit. See, the algebraic sum of voltages in any closed path of network is equal to, that is simply KVL, sum of all the voltages in a closed path equal to 0, right? That much simple it is. Yes, the maximum power transfer theorem, the internal resistance must be equal to internal resistance. See, in maximum power transfer theorem, the internal resistance must be equal to internal resistance, equal to 0, equal to load resistance, greater than internal resistance. That is also very simple. Okay, yeah, very easily. If you know the concept, you are going to tick for the answer. Yes. Then electrical and electronic measurements. The minimum number of wattmeters required to measure three-phase power is. That is also very simple. 2 wattmeter. We have methods like 2 wattmeter method and all. Just if you know the concept, you are going to tick for the answer. No need to solve anything. So that question also. Mostly, see why I taken these questions. Just to tell you that very simple questions are asked, but those questions will be simple if you know the concept and if you have the clarity in the concept. Otherwise, those questions are tough for you. You are going to commit mistake. Okay, yeah. So again, electrical machines, just some simple theory questions are asked. So this is about the questions and syllabus and examination pattern. So we, YourPedia at Hyderabad, announcing, we are happy to announce offline batch at Hyderabad Suryalok complex. Okay, and we have online batches also. From September 20 onwards, we are giving this coaching, okay, for AEE. So those who are interested, you can call us directly. Thank you, all the best. Thank you, all the best for all of you. Thank you.